Alright, good morning. So let's check if this mosquito trap really works. Here we're... Hello, viewers! I hope everything's great. My name is James from James Bagsik Videos. Are you having some problem with mosquitoes? Like this? Or like this? Oh well, fear not. Today, we're going to make a homemade mosquito trap. Stay tuned. Yeah. For this project, we're going to use water, empty bottle, honey, brown sugar, and a cutting device. So, let's get to it. Wow! First is we have to cut the bottle in this area here. Alright, let's do it. Kids, don't try this at home without the supervision of an adult. Once cut, you should be able to fit in the other half of the bottle, like so. Alright, there it is. Let's keep this away. Next step is we put water into the bottle. Some sugar. And some honey. Remove the lid. Place it back in. In theory, the mosquito will be attracted in the mixture. They will go inside and then will be trapped in the bottle. Let's put it in the corner. Alright, good morning. So let's check if this mosquito trap really works. Definitely there's something inside there. Yep, there it is. So definitely there are mosquitoes or mosquito or insect inside that trap. But I think it's a little bit small. So we need a bigger bottle. Like this. Same procedure, same process. In the version that we did, we use brown sugar and honey. In the other version, there are people that are using yeast and brown sugar. Oh! Yahoo! This is James Bagsik, and that is the homemade mosquito trap. I hope you like it, and we'll see you in the next video. Yes! Yeah. Peace out, baby fries. Peace out.